name is Farmer Jervis and today I am going to unbox this environmental friendly toy. Let's go! Why is this thing stuck? Things in there, that is stuck! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay. Are these glass or plastic? Let's see what we have. We have an instruction book, some stickers, a broken greenhouse, and some seeds, some flower pots, and a shovel thing. Where is the soil? I think I had some soil. Anyways, let's start from the greenhouse now. One side of the sidewalk as shown like this. Okay, I think this is. Do we go here? Okay, I have spent 10 hours to finish this. And let me tell you something about it. Greenhouses are used to grow plants like tropical flowers, which needs a relatively warm environment to grow. In daytime, sunlight shines into the greenhouse and warms the plants and air inside. At nighttime, it's colder outside, but the greenhouse stays pretty warm inside. Pretty cool, right? Let's put some soil inside the pot water. Whoa, those are flat. What? No. Okay, I'm warning you. Do not try this at home. This is very dangerous. And then you need to clean up a lot of things. The pot is ready and let's see what seeds do we have. Let's see. The first one is sensitive plant seeds. Great. What? These seeds are huge. What? First you need a cup of soil. Put that. Bye. Whoa! Someone help me, please. Everyone knows that plants need water. So first of all, let's water this. What? Where are their seeds? Plants not only need water, but also need sunshine. Here goes to some air. Apart from water and sunshine, plants also need fertilizers. Let Dr. Jervis tell you more. Okay, so let me tell you what is fertilizer. Fertilizer has 3 major components, including nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, also known as NPK. N stands for nitrogen, and nitrogen increases plants' growth, develop of the green parts of the plants, such as leaves. P stands for phosphorus. Phosphorus is responsible for the root development and energy transport in the plants. K stands for potassium. It helps sperm cells to develop and also help transfer with nutrients. Let's see the other elements inside the fertilizer. Calcium, sulfur, magnesium, iron, manganese, sodium, copper, molybdenum. So many things inside the fertilizer. Okay, so let's get back to Farmer Jervis. Okay, so growing plants is actually a very good activity, and green plants not only reduce the greenhouse gas, you can also relax your eyes by looking at them. I hope you will like this video, and I hope everyone will plant some more plants to protect our environment.